Hello everyone, my name is Jacqueline Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about a very important mathematical concept, order of operations. Order of operations is also referred to its acronym, PEMDAS. Now, whether you're returning to mathematics or just brushing up on the basics, mastering this concept is very important because it helps you avoid common mistakes and solve problems accurately and confidently. Order of operations is the building block for algebra, calculus, and other areas of mathematics. Now, for example, if I take this operation 8 plus 2 times 5, and I do not follow order of operations, I would add 8 plus 2, 10, and multiply by 5, 50. However, if I follow order of operations, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 8 is 18, I get the correct answer. So, what is PEMDAS? PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, when I am carrying out a multi-step problem, I start first with anything inside parentheses. Then, I have to carry out the exponents. Followed by this are multiplication and division, and these go together from left to right. Then I do addition and subtraction, likewise together from left to right. It's important to remember that multiplication and division are on the same level, and addition and subtraction are as well. Let's do an example problem. We have 8 plus 3 times, in parentheses, 4 plus 2 to the power of 2, divided by 6 minus 1. So, by PEMDAS, I first go inside the parentheses. I have 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So I can replace 4 plus 2 with 6. Next, I carry out the exponents. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Now I do the multiplication and division. Remember, from left to right. So I do 3 times 36 is 108, divided by 6 is 18. Finally, I do addition and subtraction, again from left to right. 8 plus 18 is 26, minus 1 is 25. So my final answer is 25. Now it's your turn. Here's an equation. 5 times 3 plus 2 in parentheses to the power of 2 divided by 5 minus 4. Take a moment, pause the video, and try to calculate this yourselves. How did it go? Let's see it together. So, first I do parentheses. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then I do the exponents. 5 squared is 25. Now I can do multiplication and division. From left to right. 5 times 25 is 125. Divided by 5 is 25. And now I do addition and subtraction. In this case, only subtraction. 25 minus 4 is 21, our final answer. Did you get it? Let's review. So, when solving multi-step expressions, we have to follow order of operations, known as PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division are on the same level, from left to right, and addition and subtraction as well. Now, practicing with examples like this will help you master the building blocks of algebra, calculus, and many other areas of mathematics. It will also help you build your accuracy and confidence in mathematics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this makes order of operations a little clearer and a lot more approachable.